Hello, my dear students. So, here is the topic zero vector. Zero vector. This is a new topic, zero vector. So, what is the meaning of zero vector? So, what is the meaning of zero vector? Zero vector means zero. Yeah, zero means zero. Here, use of zero, number zero represents number 0, but vector, why vector is added here in a zero vector? Suppose that two vectors, vector A and vector B, suppose that two vectors, vector A and vector B are added. If you add vectors, so vector tail is here and vector head is here, and A vector is this, and B vector is here, opposite side, but of same magnitude. Say like this, magnitude of 5 units, and here it is 5 units, but the direction is opposite to that. So if its magnitude is called vector small a, this is small a, yes, this is small a, and also it is small a. Why magnitude is same in this case, but direction is opposite? What if we add this? We add these vectors, not magnitude only. We add these vectors. If we add these vectors, vector A and vector B, it gives what? It gives nothing but a zero vector. Why? This is called zero vector. So how and why? It is possible due to opposite direction. B is in the direction of opposite. Why? It is given in that question that A vector plus of minus B vector, then it is equal to what? Minus of A vector. And that is equal to, if we add A vector and B vector, if we add A vector B and B vector, not opposite direction, we get a vector. If we add A vector and B vector, and these vectors are not in opposite directions, then we get a vector. Yeah, simply a vector, any vector in a result. But if we do the direction opposite to vector A, so B vector becomes minus of A vector if magnitude is equal to A, and A is means same magnitude, then it is equal to zero vector. It is also a vector. It gives vector product, vector addition and vector subtraction, vector division. These are equal to a vector. So zero is a vector. Zero vector has indeterminate direction. What type of direction this have? That indeterminate direction. That is possible. Direction is here, but indeterminate direction of this vector, zero vector. So properties of this vector. This is called zero vector. So there is no definition of zero vector. But we have understood the concept. It is important. Definition is not so important. So here we write this sum. Okay, zero vector concept. And second point, what if yeah. Now second note, if A vector parallel to B vector, if A vector parallel to B vector, second case, if A vector parallel to B vector, if A vector parallel to B vector, then what? Then what happened? If A vector is parallel to B vector, then A cross B vector is what? If we cross it, A vector cross B vector, and both are parallel to each other, then theta is equal to what here is? In this case, theta is 0 degree. If we placed both the vectors one side or touch each other, then it creates 0 degree angle here, and a vector cross b vector is equal to a vector magnitude and b vector magnitude product. It is in the product into sine theta, and theta is the angle between the vectors, and angle between the vector is 0 degree. So sine 0 is what? Sine 0 degree is what? 0. Yeah, sine 0 is 0. So this gives what? Total magnitude is 0. Total magnitude is 0. If we placed, but this is called a 0 vector. We learned that 0 means 0. What 0? This becomes 0 because 0 have some direction, but indeterminate direction, and this is called 0 vector. So next point is that if we placed, note this. Yeah, okay, if we placed second point, a cross 0 vector, if we crossed 0 vector, a vector, any vector, and 0 vector, if we cross it, then what happened? It becomes a vector or 0 vector. It becomes 0 vector. Yeah, like 0 vector. Okay. It becomes 0 vector. If we placed a vector added to 0 vector, it becomes a vector. Simple. So vector have also properties like algebra. So here is only 0 vector is added, and any time you can use this 0 vector and it becomes a vector if we add this. Now if lambda is equal to, if for any number lambda, if lambda is crossed to 0 vector or it is multiplied by 0 vector, then it is called what? Then it is also called 0 vector. If we multiplied this like this, in physics when we multiplied any number to other, we only placed one side to other, not we cross each others, because cross product or dot product makes confusion in that question. Lambda 0 vector and it becomes 0 vector. So this is completed, note it.